So shit gotta go fast.
I'ma buy some diamonds. I'ma buy some diamonds. I'ma buy some diamonds. I'ma buy some diamonds. They say diamonds.
What's good, Autumn babes? It's your girl Imani Nicole here, back on another video. And today this is something different. You know, I never do videos like this. You know, I kind of do like beauty video. I don't really consider my channel like beauty guru like type or anything like that. I kind of just do random videos. So today I'm bringing you guys the monkey rate me 1 through 10, something like that. It was like really trendy. I know a few people do it like here and there, but I felt like doing it because I never really went up on this monkey app. I'm doing it by myself. I'm kind of nervous because I don't know what people are gonna say. I don't know what they're gonna put out the camera, and your girl is not ready for it. But we're gonna get into this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media accounts. Everything will be, anyways, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media accounts. Everything will be down below. Okay, let's go. I'm so scared. I don't know why. Okay. I'm gonna do this one. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
10.
Thanks. Hey, I got my 10 already, man.
Act up, you can get set.
You're talking about too many skips. Be nicer. Gosh, I don't even have a picture. Can you rate me 1 through 10? Can you rate me 1 through 10? Can you rate me 1 through 10?
10. That's all.
I'm not adding time. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
10. 8.
Thanks.
Why not?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
Why we just come here together?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
You're 10. You're pretty.
Thank you.
You're pretty. You're like the second.
Can you rate me 1 through 10? Can you rate me 1 through 10?
I'll give you an 8.
Thanks.
4.
Thanks. Can y'all rate me 1 through 10?
Damn, girl. Fuck.
Can y'all rate me 1 through 10?
10, 11,
Thanks.
12.
I think I'm gonna do like 4 more, maybe. I don't know, 4 or 5 more. These people just be sitting up on here on a daily. Can you rate me 1 through 10? You give me a 5, like. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
I give you 10.
Thanks. Okay, 2 more. What if the last one be like 1? Can you rate me 1 through 10?
Hey, yo, you think my dog cute?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
Hey, rate my dog 1 to 10 first.
0. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
I'll give you a 10.
Thanks. Okay, I'm gonna do 1 more for y'all. I got mad 10s, like, what?
Period.
Can you rate me 1 through 10? Yeah. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
You would 10.
Thanks.
That's okay. You don't want to 10? Don't stop yelling at me.
Nah. That's it for this video, y'all. I got mad 10s.
I ain't average. He can't come around without.
Let me be humble about it. I just really thought I was going to get like 7 and below. I got 1.5, but I got 8 and up. So I'm kind of hyped, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media accounts. Everything will be down below. If you guys like this video and you guys want a part 2 or make this into a mini series on my channel, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up, and I might think about it. I'm out.
We